Blueberry cake recipe. Check out these 4 recipes. Recipe 1. Lemon blueberry cake. Ingredients: blueberry filling, 4 heaping cups blueberries, fresh or thawed, 800 grams. 1 cup granulated white sugar, 200 grams. Juice of 2 lemons. Lemon cake, 3 cups all-purpose flour, 360 grams. 1 tablespoon baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, half a cup unsalted butter, room temperature, 113 grams. Half a cup vegetable oil, 120 milliliters. 1 3/4 cups white granulated sugar, 350 grams. 3 large eggs. 1 cup milk, 240 milliliters. Half a cup freshly squeezed lemon juice, 120 milliliters. 2 vanilla beans or 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon lemon zest. Lemon cream cheese frosting. 1 cup unsalted butter, room temperature, 226 grams. 1 cup cream cheese, room temperature, 8 ounces / 226 grams. 2 cups powdered sugar, 240 grams. 1 to 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice, 15 to 30 milliliters. Instructions: make the blueberry filling. In a medium saucepan. 1. Make the blueberry filling. In a medium saucepan, combine all the ingredients and bring to a simmer over medium heat. Cook until blueberries are soft and the sauce has thickened up and is reduced by 1/3, about 5 to 10 minutes. Stir constantly. Remove from heat and let cool to room temperature. It will thicken as it cools. 2. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit / 175 degrees Celsius. Line the bottom and the sides of 2 8-inch or 20 centimeter baking pans with parchment paper. Set aside. 3. Make the lemon cake. In a medium bowl, combine flour, baking powder, and salt, and stir to combine. Set aside. In a large mixing bowl with a stand or handheld mixer fitted with a whisk or paddle attachment, beat butter, oil, and sugar on medium speed until creamy for about 2 minutes. Add 1 egg at a time. Add 1 egg at a time and mix until fully incorporated. Alternately add dry ingredients, milk, dry ingredients, lemon juice, and end with dry ingredients. Alternately add dry ingredients, milk, dry ingredients, lemon juice, and end with dry ingredients. Stir until just combined. Add vanilla and lemon zest and stir to combine. Divide batter into 2 prepared baking pans equally. Bake for 28 to 32 minutes or until a toothpick in the center comes out clean. Don't overbake or the cake will be dry. Let cool to room temperature. Make the lemon cream cheese frosting. In a large mixing bowl, using a handheld or stand mixer fitted with a paddle attachment, whisk butter on medium speed until creamy. Add cream cheese and whisk until smooth and combined. Sift in powdered sugar and stir until well combined and creamy. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice at a time and stir until smooth and creamy. The frosting should be creamy but firm enough to frost the cake with an offset spatula. If the frosting is too soft, add more powdered sugar. If the frosting is too firm, add more lemon juice. Watch the video and the pictures above to see the consistency of the frosting. 5. Assemble the cake. 5. Assemble the cake. Cut a thin layer off the tops of your cakes to create a flat surface if needed. Then cut each cake in half horizontally. Place one cake layer on a cake stand or serving plate. Spread a quarter of the frosting over the cake. The frosting should be higher around the edges that it holds the blueberry filling inside. Watch the video and the step-by-step photos for better understanding. Layer with 1/3 of the blueberry filling where the frosting is lower. Repeat 2 more times. Place last cake layer on top and lightly frost the outside and the sides of the cake with the remaining frosting. Chill 4 hours in the fridge. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge up to 4 days. Recipe 2. Blueberry cobbler recipe. Ingredients. For the fruits: 4 cups blueberries, 3/4 cup sugar. For the batter: 1½ cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder or baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half a stick of butter, 1½ cups milk. For the topping: 2 tablespoons sugar. Instructions. 1. In a bowl, combine the blueberries with the sugar and mix. 2. Keep the blueberries aside to marinate a bit. 3. In another mixing bowl, add the flour, baking powder, salt, butter, and milk. Combine to a smooth batter. 4. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. 5. Keep a casserole baking dish ready and place the blueberries marinated in sugar into the dish. Spread out evenly. 6. Pour the batter over the blueberries and spread it out as evenly as possible. 7. Sprinkle sugar all over the unbaked cobbler. 8. Bake cobbler for about 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit / 180 degrees Celsius, or until you can see the fruits bubbling up at the sides and the batter is baked amber golden brown. Recipe 3. Delicious blueberry cream cheese bake. Recipe 3. Delicious blueberry cream cheese pie. Ingredients: 1 single pie crust, baked and ready. 2 tablespoons water. 1 tablespoon cornstarch. ½ teaspoon lemon juice. 2 tablespoons cane sugar. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. 2 cups blueberry puree. 2 cups blueberries. 16 ounces cream cheese. 1½ cups powdered sugar. 1 tablespoon milk. Instructions. Make your pie crust ahead of time so it's all set and ready to go. From that point on, there will be no baking necessary. In a small measuring cup or bowl, whisk together the water and cornstarch first. 1. Make your pie crust ahead of time so it's all set and ready to go. From that point on, there will be no baking necessary. 2. In a small measuring cup or bowl, whisk together the water and cornstarch first. This will ensure no lumps in your pie filling. 3. In a medium saucepan on medium heat, whisk together the cornstarch mixture with the lemon juice, sugar, and cinnamon. 4. Add the pureed blueberries and Add the pureed blueberries and whole blueberries to the mixture. You can use fresh or frozen blueberries, but I highly recommend fresh blueberries for the whole berries. 5. Cook the entire mixture for about 5 to 10 minutes, bringing it to a slow boil, stirring constantly until the mixture begins to thicken. 6. Remove the mixture from the heat and allow it to cool completely. Sometimes I even stick it in the fridge to cool more quickly. 7. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, mix together the cream cheese, powdered sugar, and milk. 8. Spread the cream cheese filling in the cooled and prepared pie crust. 9. Top the cream cheese filling with the cooled blueberry pie filling. 10. Cover and chill the pie for at least 1 to 2 hours or overnight. 11. Once it's chilled, you can slice it up, serve it, and enjoy. You can even top it with a dollop of Cool Whip if you want. 4. Blueberry Bramble Bake Recipe. Ingredients: 6 large croissants, 1 pint fresh blueberries, 8 ounces cream cheese, softened, 1 1/3 cups sugar, 4 eggs, 3 teaspoons vanilla, 1 pint heavy whipping cream, powdered sugar, optional. Instructions: 1. Grease a 9x13 pan. 2. Set up the croissants in 2. Cut up the croissants into bite-sized pieces and layer evenly in your pan. Set aside. 3. In a food processor, if you have one, add cream cheese, sugar, eggs, vanilla, and whipping cream. Combine on low for 5 minutes. You can also use hand beaters or a stand mixer if you don't have a food processor. 4. Pour mixture over blueberries and croissants. 5. Set aside and let soak for 20 to 30 minutes. 6. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. 7. Bake for about 45 minutes or until lightly browned and the center is set. 8. Let stand for 10 minutes. 9. Sprinkle with powdered sugar. 10. Serve. Sprinkle with powdered sugar. 10. Serve.